Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Bank of America app, fast setup step by step clearly. Open the Bank of America app on your mobile device. Log in using your username and password. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once logged in, look for the transfer option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Send Money with Zelle. If it's your first time, you may see a prompt to enroll in Zelle. Read the terms and conditions, then tap Accept to proceed. Next, you will need to provide your email address or mobile phone number. Choose the method you prefer for receiving payment notifications. After entering your information, tap Continue. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. Once verified, you're ready to set up your payment method. You can link an existing bank account if prompted, or simply continue with your current account. Now, you can start sending money using Zelle. To send money, tap on the Send Money option. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Type in the amount you wish to send. Add a short note or memo for your reference. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on Send. You will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is complete. If you need to receive money, provide your email or mobile number to the sender. Transactions made through Zelle typically are instant and sent directly to your bank account. You can check your transaction history within the app under the Activity section. For further assistance, navigate to the Help section in the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.